Hello, my name is Nayeli Macias. I'm going to cook a spring ceviche. Spring ceviche is from Pacific Coast. Let's start.
We need the following ingredients: shrimp, salt and pepper, tomato sauce, mustard, red onions, tomato, limes, cilantro, and plate chips or chifles.
Fun fact: Peru and Ecuador are about who invented ceviche. It's like two brothers fighting last slave of pizza. East countries says the ceviche is ours.
Utensils: we need a pot, a cutting board, knife, a spoon, a lemon squeezer, large ledge, and mixing boards. Preparation steps: peel and clean the scrape. Next, the wash the scrape. Then, the boil water in the pot. Cook them in the boiling water. Add the some salt. After that, put the screen in the cold water to chill. Now, chop the tomato, onion, and cilantro. Next, squeeze the limes with the lime squeezer. Mix the vegetables, tomato sauce, mustard, and lime juice with the cream. After that, add salt and pepper. Finally, service the ceviche with plain chips. Delicious!
Fun fact: in Ecuador, the ceviche is not just for the table. It's perfect for share with family or friends. Always with plain chips or popcorn. Because eating alone is not fun.
This is spring ceviche. It's from Pacific Coast. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal. Bye bye.